Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring a 2009 Pontiac Solstice Targa Coupe. This Solstice is finished in mysterious black over black. It represents one of just 1,266 Targa Coupes produced. It has 49,415 miles on the odometer and a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. The Pontiac Solstice was first introduced during the 2006 production year. It only carried through 2010, just before the Pontiac brand was sadly ended during the restructuring of General Motors as a result of the 2008 recession. The Solstice was the first two-seat Pontiac vehicle offered to the public since the Fiero in the 1980s. They feature rear-wheel drive, power rack and pinion steering, Bilstein shock absorbers, limited slip differentials, and stainless steel exhaust systems. Only offered in convertible form originally, then a Targa Coupe with a removable roof panel for an open-air driving experience was offered in 2009. You could get two engine options, a 2.4-liter dual overhead cam 4-cylinder Ecotec producing 177 horsepower and 166 pound-foot of torque, or the GXP edition utilizing a 2.0-liter turbocharged dual overhead cam 4-cylinder Ecotec producing 260 horsepower. Either option made for a delightful sports car experience. This special coupe is a wonderful cruiser and priced very well in today's market against comparable examples. Act quickly if you have been looking for one priced aggressively to sell. Hey guys, super quick. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.